Welcome back to the Dinar Chronicle, your trusted source for breaking updates, intel, and real-time reports on the global currency reset and developments surrounding the Iraqi dinar. If this is your first time joining us, make sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications, because today, something massive just happened. Markets are in absolute turmoil, analysts are scrambling for confirmation, and dinar holders around the world are waking up to headlines they didn't expect this soon. Just moments ago, former President Donald J. Trump delivered a live statement that immediately sent shockwaves through global financial markets. While the speech was largely focused on his economic roadmap and foreign policy strategy heading into the 2025 election cycle, a single sentence is now dominating every major investment forum, currency watchlist, and trading floor. Trump openly referenced the IQD, the Iraqi dinar, declaring, quote, "You're going to see more strength in the dinar than ever before. We're looking at 56 cents. And this isn't years away. It's happening right now." You heard that correctly. Trump publicly referenced an exchange rate of 56 cents to the dollar for the Iraqi dinar during a live televised event. Immediately following this statement, Forex platforms began experiencing unusual trading volumes, with IQD-related traffic seeing a surge of over 300% in less than 10 minutes. Concurrently, Twitter, Telegram, and major economic chat groups lit up with one question. Is this it? Is the RV officially underway? Now, let's examine what we know so far. First, Trump's statement wasn't off the cuff. According to our internal sources and media analysts reviewing the speech transcript, that portion appeared scripted, not improvised. This raises important questions. Was this sanctioned messaging? Was Trump tipping off the global currency community to movements already approved by Treasury officials or global financial intermediaries? As you know, the idea of a revalued dinar has been speculated for years, anchored in Iraq's oil reserves, economic growth potential, and alignment with international monetary systems like SWIFT and the potential quantum financial system rollout. Let's talk about the number itself, 56 cents. That's nearly a 5,500% increase from the dinar's current market rate. For context, the CBI, or Central Bank of Iraq, has maintained the official rate hovering around 1,310 IQD to $1 for some time. Any major movement would require either a major monetary policy shift or coordination with global entities such as the IMF, World Bank, or BIS. So, how plausible is this 56-cent rate? Sources within 3 Middle Eastern financial institutions are confirming that test rates, also known as pinging rates, have intermittently appeared in Tier 1 banking systems across Europe and Asia. These rates have ranged from 33 cents to 71 cents, depending on system access and jurisdiction. Though these rates haven't gone live for retail exchange, the fact that they're showing up on internal trading platforms suggests that rate calibration is underway. This aligns with recent reports from insiders that redemption centers in the United States are on alert status and that digital payment systems have undergone major overnight maintenance across major U.S. banks, specifically Wells Fargo, HSBC, and Chase. Additionally, a ripple effect has already begun. Gold surged by $38 per ounce within the hour following Trump's statement, while oil ticked upward by $1.11 a barrel, both considered indicators of regional economic rebalancing. Meanwhile, rumors are swirling about non-disclosure agreements being distributed within key banking institutions, particularly to wealth managers overseeing high-net-worth clients with long-held IQD portfolios. Several dinar holders have reportedly received cryptic emails from their financial advisors, urging them to stay near their phones over the next 48 hours. It's worth noting that Iraq's parliament has recently passed legislation focused on oil revenue transparency and international trade alignment, which would be foundational if a revaluation were to occur. In addition, international auditing firms like Deloitte and Ernst & Young have both been actively assessing Iraq's financial and infrastructure readiness, giving further credence to the idea that behind-the-scenes preparation has been underway for some time. Now, to address the question that's flooding our inbox. Is this the official RV? As of this recording, neither the CBI nor the IMF has issued a formal statement confirming a new international rate. Forex markets have not activated the 56-cent rate for public transactions, and Tier 1 U.S. banks remain silent, likely due to compliance protocols and market stabilization efforts. However, History has shown us that revaluations often occur without immediate public confirmation. Analysts recall how similar silence was maintained just before the Kuwaiti dinar revaluation in 1991. Adding to the complexity, this may not be a simple flip of the switch event. Multiple financial analysts are now entertaining the possibility of a staged rollout, wherein sovereign entities and institutional investors access the higher rates first, followed by structured tiers for public exchanges. Such a process would be in line with previous leaks about contract rates and preferential windows based on transaction volume and verified currency holdings. Social media has already coined this moment as the Trump trigger, a reference to how a single high-profile acknowledgement of the dinar could catalyze a mass awakening and trigger market repositioning. Some believe this was intentional, a way to test public sentiment, observe market volatility, and gauge how central banks react before any formal confirmation. At the same time, skeptics are urging caution. Financial experts warn that without confirmation from primary monetary authorities like the CBI or UST, speculation could lead to impulsive decisions and false expectations. We strongly advise all our viewers to consult with financial advisors, verify information through trusted banking contacts, and refrain from acting on unverified reports. In terms of geopolitical implications, the timing of Trump's statement cannot be ignored. With tensions rising in the Middle East and economic alliances being restructured, a dinar revaluation could be part of a larger strategic initiative. Some speculate it could be linked to the BRICS currency initiative, while others believe it's part of a broader global financial reset involving asset-backed systems and decentralization of fiat currencies. Whatever the ultimate agenda, one thing is clear. This is no longer just speculation. A former U.S. president has publicly acknowledged a precise exchange rate figure and tied it directly to current events. Whether it was a slip, a strategic leak, or an orchestrated move, the world has taken notice.